Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new project on the Alight Motion application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the plus icon down below, which is in the middle. After that, tap on project, and here you should select from these sizes. You can also customize it by tapping on the pencil button. Select the resolution, frame rate, and the background as well. Tap on create project down below, and now you are ready to customize your project here. If you have added everything that you wanted and finished the process of creating your project, you just simply need to tap on this button in the upper left corner of the screen, thereby saving your project. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.